guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you might have seen from my intro, I'm actually being sponsored now by Lucky Moto UK. I have a promo code for all my subscribers and Instagram followers. So if you want to go over to luckymoto.co.uk and go and buy yourself a hoodie or something, you can get 5% off. The promo code for my channel is 5Rider. Get over to their Instagram page and give that a follow. They're trying to reach their target of 1,000 followers. So get over and follow them. Anyway, on with the video. So yeah, the idea is to warm it up to the point where the oil starts to raise to the surface and sort of walk it back. So it changes the colour there. So there's the difference. Let that cool down and then I'll get on with the next bit. Okay, right, so what I've done now is I've trimmed some of the plastic off here, the rubber. You see it's just gone absolutely brittle, it's horrible stuff. And that's the pile of it right there, so pulled that off. I've separated these two by pulling the wire through here. No extra damage to anything else, and I didn't have to cut this off or adapt that at all. So all I've got to do now is push this over the top with some glue on it and glue that side, which I've already, see I've made a little hole there for that to fit nice and snugly in. And now this is cooled down, I can show you that, yeah, that looks a hell of a lot better than it did before. It's, as far as I'm concerned, it looks black enough for me, and that's the original. So yeah, there's a definitive difference between the two. So anyway, let's put this together. Right, and see how it goes together, just like that. Right, so now I'm ready to stick it in place. Let's just slide this over the top. Okay, that's one down. Seal. Okay, there's one down, one to go.